Yesterday we were studying about movement in animals, that how do animals move. Their uh, they have adaptations for moving. And how do they move? They have four limbs. We have studied yesterday about the limbs. What do animals have for movement? Animals have limbs. How many limbs do animals have? Animals have four limbs. There are two front limbs and two back limbs. The front limbs are called forelimbs and the back limbs are called hind limbs. So some of the animals use all the four legs to move and some of them use two legs to move and two for holding objects, as you can see in these pictures. Like horse, sheep, cows, all these animals move on their four legs. And now as you can see, this monkey, kangaroo, they use their two legs. Okay, they use these two legs to stand on and the front two legs to hold. Okay, so they have front two legs for holding and back two legs for standing. So basically these animals have four limbs. What are limbs? Limbs are the legs and arms which are for standing and for holding. Limbs are legs and arms. Okay, so page number is 36. Okay, so we have studied about herbivores. What are herbivores? Animals which feed on grass are called herbivores. What are herbivores? Animals which feed on grass. So herbivores have hooves to travel long distances in search of plants. Most of these are short-footed and move in rough terrains. Short-footed means they have a proper foot and they can move in rough terrains, like camel. Camel can move in deserts, and it has hooves. It is short-footed so that it can travel long distances in the deserts. So it is adapted for that. Camel is adapted for that. And like we have studied at ostrich, kiwi, and emu, as you can see over here, these are flightless birds. Flightless means that they cannot fly. Okay, they can only jump like but they cannot fly. They use their hind limbs to run fast. और इसी तरह से ये क्या use करती है? Hind limbs. They use their hind limbs to run fast. Then there is movement in aquatic animals. We have to study movement in aquatic. We have to start today from movement in aquatic animals. How do aquatic animals move? So aquatic animals like fishes and turtles. So we have to study their movement. How do they move in water? What do they have? What kind of adaptation do they have for moving? So fishes have fins and a tail. As you can see in your books, page 36, fishes have a fins and a tail which help them to swim. You can see that they have fins and they have a tail. And fins and tail both helps to move them, both helps them to move and follow a direction. Okay, so both fishes and fins and tails help them in movement. The paired fins means they have a pair of fins. They have a pair of fins on both sides, on the upper side of the body as well as on the lower side, on the sides. So the fins help them to move forward.
Hello. Bisa boleh move boy?
Be quiet. G. So we are studying from page number 36. Open page number 36. We have started from movement in aquatic animals. Okay, how do aquatic animals move? What are aquatic animals? Animals which are living in the water are called aquatic animals. How do they move? We have to study today. Okay, so we have studied that like fishes. You can see in your books fishes. Fish, a picture of a fish is given. Fish use fins and tail to swim in water. How do they move? They use their fins and tail to swim in water. Okay, they have a pair of fins on the upper side as well as on the lower side of their body. What do these fins do? ये fins क्या करते हैं? The paired fins help them to move forward. जो paired fins हैं वो उनको forward move करने में मदद देती हैं. यानी एक pair, a paired fins, they have a pair of fins as well as unpaired fins. So the paired fins help them to move forward. ठीक है, through paired fins they can move forward and the unpaired fins help them to maintain balance. जो उनका बैलेंस मेंटेन रहता है ना पानी में, के पानी में वो एक मतलब स्टेबिलिटी के साथ मूव करती है. सो हाउ कैन दे मूव, हाउ कैन दे मेंटेन देयर बैलेंस? द अनपेयर्ड fins help them to maintain balance. And the tail at the back, you can see the tail. At the back you can see the tail. The tail helps them to change the direction. Means because of tail they can move like this. They can move in a zigzag manner. So because of the tail helps them to change the direction. So this is how fishes move. We have studied movement in fishes. How do fishes move? Fishes use fins and tail to swim in water. They have paired fins as well as unpaired fins. The paired fins help them to move forward. The unpaired fins help them to maintain balance. Paired fins के जरिए वो forward move करती है और unpaired fins के जरिए वो अपनी जो है वो balance maintain करती है. And with the help of tail, they can change their direction. Okay, turtles. On the next page, you can see a picture of turtle is given in your books. So, how do these turtles move?
आलू मिर्ची आलू मोंगरी मसाले डाल
Students, listen carefully. Give attention to your books. Okay, can you see this turtle? This turtle and this tortoise. This turtle lives in water. Turtle lives in water. So how do turtle move? As you can see, their paddle-shaped feet. Can you see their paddle-shaped feet? Look at their feet. These are their feet. ये इनके क्या है? Feet है. And they are paddle-shaped. और ये कैसे हैं? Paddle-shaped. So these are called flippers. They move with these flippers. What are they called? Flippers. What are they called? Flippers. ये क्या कहलाते हैं? Flippers. ये क्या कहलाते हैं? Flippers कहलाते हैं. So they move in the water. Okay, and they use their flippers. इसी तरह से frog. A frog also lives in water. Frog spent its first life in water and the rest of its life on land. तो इसी तरह से frog जो है, when it lives in waters, what do it use to swim in water? अब frogs में adaptation है. Frog जो है, it has both webbed feet as well as hind legs. The webbed feet help to swim in water. They have webbed feet like duck feet. जैसे duck के आपने देखे feet कभी, जैसे duck के होते हैं ना feet, इसी तरह से frogs के feet होते हैं. तो frogs feet are called webbed feet. Turn on your camera, students. All of you turn on your cameras. So frogs have webbed feet to swim in water and they have hind legs to jump on land. और वो फिर jump land पे किस तरह से move करते हैं? With the help of their hind legs. They use their hind legs to jump on land. Penguins are flightless birds. Penguins क्या होती हैं? Flightless birds. Means they cannot fly. They are flightless birds. They cannot fly. Underline this line. Penguins are flightless birds. So what do they use? They have penguins. आपको पता है जो कि बहुत ही ठंडे इलाकों में रहते हैं. Penguins. They are called penguins. Penguins use their strong flippers as their forelimbs, which they use to swim. So when अब इनकी भी दोनों adaptations है frog की तरह. They are also used to live in water as well as on land. So when in water, जब ये पानी में होते हैं तब ये क्या करते हैं? They use their flippers as their forelimbs which they use to swim. When they are in water, they use their forelimbs to swim. तब ये क्या use करते हैं? अपने forelimbs use करते हैं swim करने के लिए. और जब ये लैंड पर होते हैं then what do they use? They use their hind limbs to walk on land. ठीक है, so they have flippers as forelimbs which they use to swim in water, and they have hind legs to move on the land. So the penguins have these two adaptations. So we have studied how do aquatic animals move. So for fishes, they have fins and tail, and for turtles, they use their flippers. And frogs use their webbed feet. Frogs use their webbed feet to move, to swim in water, and hind legs to jump on land. And in the same way, penguins have flippers to swim in water and have legs to jump on the land, to walk on the land. So this is animal movement. एनिमल मूवमेंट जो है इसमें आपको नजर आ रहा है animals that can fly, animals that can walk and run, animals that can swim, animals that crawl. तो pigeon, dragonfly, ladybird, eagle, rhinoceros ये walk करते हैं ना, ये flying birds है ना, these are flying birds. Pigeon, dragonfly, ladybird, fly, eagle. इसी तरह से these are the animals that can walk and run. Rhinoceros, cow, tiger, elephant, giraffe. एनिमल्स डेट स्विम, कौन सी एनिमल स्विम करते हैं? शार्क, ईल, व्हेल, सी लायन एंड फिश. Animals that crawl, these animals crawl na, like crocodile, lizard, and these animals are found in water. Crab, turtle, and tortoise is also found on land. When on land, crab और turtle भी land पर होते हैं. अगर ये जो है वो लैंड पर होते हैं then they crawl, or if they are found in water then they swim. अगर ये वाटर में होते हैं तो ये swim करते हैं, और अगर ये लैंड पर होते हैं तो ये crawl करते हैं. So they have these two adaptations. Okay, now movement in insects and reptiles. What are reptiles and what are insects? Insects क्या है? जैसे आपको नजर आ रहा है ant, grasshopper, butterfly, dragonfly. These are all insects. These are all insects. और आपको पता है ना insects क्या होते हैं? Mostly insects have how many legs? Insects have 6 legs. But it is not necessary कि सभी insects की 6 legs हो. कुछ की 6 होती है, कुछ की 6 से ज्यादा भी हो सकती है, कुछ की कम भी हो सकती है. तो mostly insects use their 6 legs. Manahid. Students, you are not attentive. G. So insects have how many legs? Insects have 6 legs. And mostly insects use these 6 legs to move. And ants and cockroaches crawl on their legs. Ants and cockroaches किस तरह से crawl करती हैं? On their legs. They also crawl with the help of their legs. Grasshoppers use their long hind legs to hop. Hop का मतलब क्या होता है? Jump. Hop means jump. Hop करना means jump करना. So grasshopper जैसे कि आपको नजर आ रही है, ये इसकी hind legs है. These are its hind legs. और ये hind legs use करता है to hop. Hop means jump. Means it use its legs to jump. इसी तरह से ant moves on its 6 legs. How many legs ant have? 6 legs. It crawls on its 6 legs. इसी तरह से cockroaches also crawl on its legs. And grasshoppers can fly. How can they not fly? Means to say jump. How can they hop? Through their hind legs, through their long hind legs. Then butterflies, bees and houseflies have wings to fly. इनके पास क्या होते हैं? wings होते हैं. With the help of these wings they can fly. Their wings are different from birds wings. इनके wings जो हैं वो birds के wings से मुख्तलिफ होते हैं. They do not have bones, strong muscles or feathers. अब आपको पता है कि जो मतलब बटरफ्लाइज, बीज और हाउस फ्लाइज होते हैं, इनके अंदर ना तो बोन्स होती हैं, ना ही मसल्स होते हैं, ना फेदर्स होते हैं. जस्ट इनके जो है वो विंग्स होती हैं, ठीक है. और इनमें फेदर्स नहीं होते, सिर्फ विंग्स होती है. फेदर्स किस में होते हैं? फेदर्स बर्ड्स में होते हैं. Feathers are found in only birds. Okay, so grasshoppers have, butterflies, bees, houseflies have wings to fly, and their wings are different from the bird's wings. They do not have bones, strong muscles, or feathers. They are made up of tiny scales. ठीक है, मतलब छोटे छोटे इन पे क्या होते हैं? स्केल्स होते हैं. बटरफ्लाइज जिसे आप देख रहे हैं, बटरफ्लाई की जो होते हैं ना विंग्स, इनके ऊपर ये देखो, ये जो नजर आ रहा है, ये क्या होते हैं? इनके स्केल्स होते हैं. दीज आर कॉल्ड देयर स्केल्स. सो दे डू नॉट हैव बोन्स, they are made up of tiny scales. Butterflies and bats. Butterflies or bats जो है, they have two pairs of wings, while houseflies have one pair of wings. Butterfly and bats have how many wings? Two pairs of wings. Means total 4 wings होते हैं इनके, 2 pairs. यानी 2 at the front, 2 at the back. इस तरह से जो है उनके 4 बनते हैं. जबकि हाउस फ्लाई, ये जो नॉर्मल फ्लाई होती है, उसकी कितने होते हैं? 1 pair of wings. यानी 1 on one side and 1 on the other side. So this is the movement in insects. How do insects move? Insects move with the help of their legs. And some insects which also have wings, they move, they jump or they fly with the help of their wings, and they land on their hind legs. Okay, so we have studied different features and how do insects move. We have studied their different features. Now movement in reptiles. Now how do reptiles move? Animals like snakes, as you can see, snake, lizard, crocodile and tortoise, all these are reptiles. Underline, ये सब क्या है? Reptiles है. They are called reptiles. Reptiles का मतलब क्या है? कि they have scales on their body, और जिसके scale नहीं है उसकी body पर क्या होगा? Shell. Animals which do not have a scale on their body, they have shell. उनकी body पे क्या होगा? Shell. So animals like snakes, lizards, crocodiles and tortoises are reptiles. They crawl on the ground. ये जमीन पर क्या करते हैं? Crawl करते हैं. Most of them can move fast for short distances. और ज़्यादातर इनमें जो है वो थोड़े थोड़े distance मीन्स कवर करने हो तो ये काफ़ी तेज चलते हैं. Like जैसे crocodile, it travels very fast. Lizard can travel very fast. And snakes can also travel very fast. So mostly they crawl on the ground. और अगर इनको fast जैसे किसी चीज का पीछा करना हो, अपना prey catch करना हो, तो फिर ये fast ही travel करते हैं. They travel very fast. Crocodiles can even move in water. और crocodiles जो है वो water में भी move कर सकते हैं. Crocodile कहाँ move करते हैं? Water में. They move in water. Okay, they also move in water. So this is how reptiles, these are called reptiles. Snake, crocodile, lizard and tortoise, these are called reptiles. Okay, they can move, they can they have scales over their skin, and tortoise have shell over its skin. क्योंकि उसके ऊपर scale नहीं होते तो उसके ऊपर क्या होता है? Shell होता है. It has shell over its skin. Okay, next page is मूवमेंट इन ह्यूमंस. अब ह्यूमन बीइंग्स जो हैं वो किस तरह से मूव करते हैं, हमें ये स्टडी करना है. माइग्रेशन का टॉपिक जो है वो इट इज द लास्ट टॉपिक which we will study in the next class. Today we will study till movement in human. अब आपको पता है हम we are human beings. So how do we move? We have a pair of legs and a pair of arms. Means 2 arms and 2 legs for movement. We have 2 pairs of limbs. 2 pairs का मतलब क्या है कि upper limbs जो है these are called arms and the lower limbs are called legs. Upper limbs जो है हमारे वो क्या कहलाते हैं? आर्म्स. एंड लोअर लिम्स आर कॉल्ड लेग्स. अंडरलाइन. Each limb ends in either 5 finger or 5 toe. अगर हमारे जैसे जो आर्म्स के आगे हमारी क्या है? हैंड्स है, और हैंड्स की कितनी फिंगर्स होती है? 5. इसी तरह से लेग्स के नीचे क्या है? फीट. और फीट के आगे क्या है? टोज. 5 toes. So we have 5 toes and 5 fingers. We have 5 toes and 5 fingers. We use the legs. Human beings use legs for standing, walking and running. अब लेग्स हमारी सिर्फ किस लिए यूज होती है? मूवमेंट के लिए, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करने के लिए. सो व्हाट डू वी यूज आर्म्स फॉर? सो दे हैव एन अपराइट पोस्चर. इसी तरह से हमारा पोस्चर, यानी हम कैसे खड़े होते हैं? स्ट्रेट. वी स्टैंड स्ट्रेट. और आर्म्स हमारे किस काम आते हैं? फॉर होल्डिंग एंड वर्किंग विद ऑब्जेक्ट्स. कि we hold things, we work with things with the help of our hands. So this is how movement in human beings happen. ठीक है? Human beings move with the help of, human beings have pairs of limbs. The upper limbs are called arms and the lower limbs are called legs. And each limb ends in 5 fingers or 5 toes. What do we use legs for? For moving. And what do we use arms for? For holding and working with objects. So the last topic is migration, which we will discuss in our next class. Now I would like to ask questions from this chapter, from feeding habits. Gee, I would like to ask questions from feeding habits, and everyone has to answer me. Gee, students, now all of you need to okay, Dua, you are the only student left. Yes, Dua, can you explain me the topic? Feeding habits in animals. Yes, Dua. Ji, Manahid. Unmute yourself, Manahid, and answer me. Have you read the homework? Have you read the pages I have given you for homework? Ji, have you read the pages I have given you for homework? Ji, students, unmute yourself. Have you done the reading at home? Ji. I have unmuted you, Manahid and Yashad. Yes. You both are not serious during the class. What is the problem? आप लोग होमवर्क कर रहे हैं अपना? जी यशद, आर यू डूइंग होमवर्क? आपने रीडिंग की है?
टीचर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
यशद, हैव यू डन रीडिंग? चलिए मुझे बताएं, व्हाट आर हर्बीवर्स? यस।
टीचर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।